Welcome back sa aking channel. So, this is the part 2 of integration by trigonometric substitution. So, sana napanood nyo na yung part 1. Okay, so let's solve this. Solve using trigonometric substitution. We have integral of x squared dx over x squared plus 16 raised to 3 over 2. Okay, try nyo muna sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's answer. Okay, so our integrand is in the form u squared plus a squared. So therefore, we will use the substitution u equals a tangent theta. Okay, so our u here is x and our a is the square root of 16 and that is 4. Okay, or we have u squared is equal to x squared and then we have a squared is equal to 16. So therefore our u is x and our a is square root of 16 and that is 4. So therefore we will use the substitution u equals a tangent theta. So just substitute x and 4. So therefore we have x is equal to 4 tangent theta. Okay, so now find the differential of this both sides. So we have dx is equal to 4. Derivative of tangent is secant squared theta d theta. Pag differential, meron d theta. Okay, so next step ay draw the right triangle. So from the right triangle, we have x equals 4 tangent theta. So from this, the value of tangent theta is equal to, just divide both sides by 4. The value of tangent theta is x over 4. So draw the right triangle. Right triangle. So this is the right angle. This is the theta. Definition of tangent. So TOA. SOHCAHTOA. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. So this is the opposite side x and the adjacent side is this side. So this is 4. So by Pythagorean theorem, this side will be equal to square root of x squared plus 16. So now we can transform the our integral in terms of theta. So therefore this will be equal to integral of x squared. So what is the value of the value of x is 4 tangent theta. So just square that. So we have 4 tangent theta squared times dx. The value of dx is 4 secant squared theta d theta. So we have 4 secant squared theta d theta all over x squared plus 16 raised to 3 over 2. Or that is the same as square root of x squared plus 16 cube. So that's the same. Okay. So now let's find the trigonometric function for square root of x squared plus 16 using this right triangle. So what is the trigonometric function that contains square root of x squared plus 16 over the constant 4? So the trigonometric function is hypotenuse over adjacent, or the reciprocal of cosine. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So reciprocal of cosine is secant. So secant theta is equal to square root of x squared plus 16 over 4. But we only want to find the value of x squared plus 16. So multiply both sides by 4. We have 4 secant theta is equal to square root of x squared plus 16. So we will substitute this into this expression. So x squared plus 16, that is 4 secant theta, and then we will cube this. Okay, so we have 4 secant theta cube. Okay, so let us simplify first. 4 squared, so that is equal to 16. And then tangent square theta times 4 secant square theta d theta all over 4 cubed. So that is 4 times 4 times 4. So that is 64. And then we have secant cube. So secant cube theta. So simplify, we have 16 times 4, that is 64. So we can cancel out all the the numbers, and then we have secant square in the numerator, we have secant cube in the denominator, so subtract 2. So therefore, we have integral of tangent square d theta over secant theta. So now we will use identity in order to solve this. So we have identity for tangent square. So we will use the identity 1 plus tangent square theta equals secant square theta. So to solve tangent square theta, just subtract 1 to both sides. So therefore, tangent square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay, so this will be now equal to integral of secant square theta minus 1 d theta over secant theta. So now divide both secant square theta minus 1 to secant theta, and then distribute the integral sign and the d theta. So therefore, we have integral of secant square theta over secant theta. So just subtract 1 to the exponent, cancel secant theta in the denominator. So cancel yung 1 secant theta dito. So we have secant theta d theta, and then minus d theta over 1 over secant theta. So we have identity. What is the reciprocal of secant theta? Pag pumunta sa taas yan, reciprocal of secant is cosine. So therefore, we have cosine theta d theta. So we now have a direct formula for these two integrals. So we will use the integral of secant u du. The answer to this is ln absolute value of secant u plus tangent u plus c. So we have direct formula for this. And then for cosine theta, we have also direct formula for cosine u du, and then the answer to that is sine u plus c. So just apply these two formulas to this integral. So therefore, this will be now equal to ln of secant theta plus tangent theta. And then we have minus integral of cosine is sine. Okay, so minus sine u plus c. So now let us just substitute the value of secant theta, tangent theta, and sine u. Oh, we have sine theta. So I'm sorry, this is theta, sine theta. So using the triangle. Okay, so therefore we have, so dito na natin isulat. Equal na siya sa ln. What is the value of secant theta? So this is secant theta is square root of x squared plus 16 over 4 plus tangent theta. We have tangent theta. This is the tangent theta. So we have x over 4. And then we have minus sine theta. The value of sine theta is SOHCAHTOA opposite over hypotenuse. So x over this term. So minus x over square root of x squared plus 16 plus the constant of integration c. So this is now the final answer for the number 2. So if you want to rationalize the denominator, we can multiply both sides by square root of x squared plus 16. Okay? So see you. Okay, so that's all. So see you sa part 3. Didiscuss natin yung number 3 natin na nandun kanina sa nakita nyo sa part 1. So thank you for watching, and kita-kita tayo sa susunod pang video tutorial para sa trigonometric substitution. So bye-bye and God bless.